Hello friends, now we will start the new topics. Rolle's theorem and Lagrange mean value theorem, that is a LMVT. First of all, I will explain these two theorems and then we will discuss on the problems. Now let us start. Based on exercise 2.3, Rolle's theorem statement: if y is equals to f of x is a real valued function of a real variable such that first, f of x is a continuous on closed interval ab. Second, f of x is a differentiable on open interval ab. Third, f of a is equals to f of b. Then there exists a real number c belongs to open interval such that f dash of c is equals to 0. And this is the Rolle's theorem. Now see this the figure. In this figure, this is the curve. Okay, A and B are the 2 points on this curve, and here the A and B, if we draw the line parallel to the x-axis, that is, they are on a same line. It means that their y coordinates are equal. Means what? F of A is equals to F of B. This condition is satisfied here. Okay, and there exists a point C which is in between A and B such that f dash of C is equals to 0. Now this is the tangent to this curve at the point C and it is a parallel to this x-axis. Okay. Now the next, again the figure, this is the second figure. Now see this curve is in this form and here the tangent is here at the point C. Again A and B are the 2 points whose y coordinates are equal. Okay, and therefore f of a is equals to f of b and f dash of c is equals to 0. Now the geometrical significance. F of x be a real function defined on ab and it is continuous on closed interval ab. It follows that we can draw a graph of f of x between the values of x is equals to a and x is equals to b. Also, f of x is a differentiable on open interval ab. It follows that the graph of f of x has a tangent at each point of ab. Now, this is the figure. Okay. Next. Now, the existence of real number. There exists a real number c belongs to open interval ab such that f dash of c is equals to 0. And shows that the tangent to the curve at x is equals to c has slope 0. That is, the tangent is a parallel to x-axis and the line AB is a parallel to x-axis as f of a is equals to f of b. Okay. And this is the, if we draw the line and it is a parallel to this x-axis. Now next, Lagrange mean value theorem. Statement: if y is equals to f of x is a real valued function defined on open closed interval ab such that f of x is a continuous on closed interval ab. Second, f is a differentiable on open interval ab, then there exists at least one point c belongs to ab such that f of b minus f of a upon b minus a is equals to f dash of c. Now see this curve. Okay, this is a curve. A and B are the 2 points on this curve. The coordinate of A is a comma f of a and the b is a b comma f of b. AB is the chord. Now we are drawing the tangent at the point C such that this C belongs to the open interval AB and f dash of C is equals to the slope of this chord. Okay, chord AB. Okay, now next. Geometrical significance. We draw the curve y is equals to f of x and take the point a f of a and b f of b on the curve. Then the slope of AB, can draw the slope of AB, means what? Difference of y coordinate upon difference of x coordinate of b minus f of a upon b minus a. Second, f dash of c is equals to, okay, f dash of c is equals to f of b minus f of a upon b minus a, and that is f dash of c is nothing but the slope of that ab. Okay, where that point c belongs to the open interval ab. This shows that the tangent to the curve y is equals to f of x at the point x is equals to c is a parallel to chord ab. Now आपण आता हेच समोर डोळ्यासमोर बघणार आहोत, रोल्स थेरम आणि लॅग्रेंज मीन व्हॅल्यू थेरम. या दोघांमध्ये डिफरन्स काय की याची टँजंट जी होती ती एक्स ऍक्सिसला पॅरलल घेतलेली इथे, and the tangent is here is not the parallel to the x-axis, but it makes some inclination with the x-axis. The statement of the Rolle's theorem, that is y is equals to f of x, is a real valued function, real valued function of a real variable such that f of x is a continuous on closed interval ab, f of x is a differentiable on open interval ab, f of a is equals to f of b, then there exists a real number c belongs to open interval ab, f dash of c is equals to 0. And now what about here? Here f dash of c is equals to f of b minus f of a is equals to b minus a. Same thing is here. Here the slope is 0 and that's why we are writing here 0. इथे slope 0 आहे. ही जी टँजंट ड्रॉ केलेली आहे ती त्याचा स्लोप 0 आहे, आणि इथला स्लोपच्या बाबतीत काय की इथे स्लोप असा असणार आहे की इट इज नथिंग बट एफ डॅश ऑफ सी इज नथिंग बट एफ ऑफ बी मायनस एफ ऑफ ए अपॉन बी मायनस ए. काही गोष्टी इथे सेम आहेत. एफ ऑफ एक्स इज अ कंटिन्युअस डिफरन्शिएबल. ओके, वन थिंग इज डिफरंट. व्हॉट इज दॅट? एफ ऑफ ए इज इक्वल्स टू एफ ऑफ बी, बट हियर एफ ऑफ ए इज नॉट इक्वल्स टू एफ ऑफ बी. हा दोघातला डिफरन्स आहे. ओके, नाउ see this again, the figures. Okay, these tangents are parallel to x-axis, but this tangent is making the inclination with the x-axis. Now we'll start the problems. Verify the Rolle's theorem for the function f of x is equals to x square minus 5x plus 9 on closed interval 1-4. March 14 ला विचारला गेलेला प्रश्न आहे 2 मार्क्स साठी. Now the solution, the function f given as f of x is equals to x square minus 5x plus 9 is a polynomial function. Hence, it is a continuous on closed interval 1-4 and differentiable on open interval 1-4. Now, f of 1. We'll find out the value. F of 1 means what? X is replaced by 1 करणार. 1 square minus 5 into 1 plus 9. Okay, ती म्हणणार आपल्याला f of 1 is equals to 1 minus 5 and plus 9. And overall, you will get that is equals to 5. Okay, now the next value f of 4 बघणार आपण. That is x is replaced by 4 square minus 5 into 4 plus 9. And what is it? It's a 16 minus 20 plus 9. And overall again it is a 5. Now both values are equal. म्हणजे f of a is equals to f of b. इथे झाले आपल्याला f of 1 is equals to f of 4. Thus the function f satisfies all the conditions of the Rolle's theorem. आता there exists a c belongs to open interval ab such that f dash of c is equals to 0. बघूया आता त्या फंक्शनचा आपण इथे काय करणार तर डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काढणार. फंक्शन घेतलाय x square minus 5x plus 9, त्याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह f dash of x is equals to ddx of x square minus 5x plus 9, त्याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह किती आला 2x, आणि 5x चा किती आला 5 into 1, 9 चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह 0, and therefore f dash of x is equals to 2x minus 5. What is f dash of c? म्हणजे काय? x is replaced by c. 2c minus 5 is equals to 0. Okay, and therefore 2c is equals to 5 by 2. आता हा 5 by 2 means what? 2.5, and it's clear that it belongs to open interval 1-4, and hence the Rolle's theorem is verified. Okay, now next question number 2. Verify the Lagrange mean value theorem for the function f of x is equals to x plus 1 upon x, where x belongs to closed interval 1-3. This example asked in October 14 for the marks 4. Solution. The function f given as f of x is equals to x plus 1 upon x, and it is a polynomial function, hence it is a continuous on closed interval 1-3 and differentiable on open interval 1-3. Okay, Thus, the function f satisfies the conditions of LMVT. There exists C belongs to open interval 1, 3 such that f dash of C is equals to f of 3 minus f of 1 upon 3 minus 1. This is number 1. Now f of x is equals to x plus 1 upon x. F dash of 1 is equals to 1 plus 1 upon 1, that is 1 plus 1 is 2. F of 3 is a 3 plus 1 by 3. आता हे सिम्प्लिफाय केल्यानंतर 3 into 3 that is a 9 plus 1 that is a 10 by 3 झालं आपल्याला. Therefore f dash of x, आता त्याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काढणार आपण इथे. ओके, the derivative of ddx of x plus 1 upon x, derivative of x is 1 and 1 upon x किती आला minus 1 upon x square. Okay, now the next is f dash of c म्हणजे काय, x is replaced by c, 1 minus 1 upon c square. Therefore from 1 what is f dash of c? f dash of c ची Lagrange mean value theorem मध्ये कशी व्हॅल्यू असते, f of 3 minus f of 1 upon 3 minus 1. Here f dash of c is 1 minus 1 by c square and the value of f of 3 is 10 by 3, f of 1 is 2 upon 3 minus 1 and he simplify केला आपण 3 into 2 6, 10 minus 6, 4 by 3 upon 2 and again if we simplify it is a 2 by 3. Therefore 1 upon c square is equals to 1 minus 1 upon c square is equals to 2 by 3. हे पुन्हा आपण सिम्प्लिफाय केलं, हा 2 by 3 इकडे आणला आणि मायनस 1 by 3 इकडे राईटला नेला तर ओव्हरऑल 1 upon c square is equals to 1 minus 2 by 3 आणि हे सिम्प्लिफाय केलं आपण, then you will get 1 upon c square is equals to 1 upon 3 and therefore c square is equals to 3. If you take the square root then you will get c is equals to root 3 and it belongs to the open interval 1, 3 and hence the LMVT is verified. Now the next problem, problem number 3. Check whether the conditions of Rolle's theorem are satisfied by f of x is equals to x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3 where x belongs to closed interval 1, 3 and this example हे कधी विचारले, July 17 ला for the Mars 2. Now the solution, the function f given as f of x is equals to x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3 is a polynomial function, hence it is a continuous on closed interval 1, 3 and differentiable on open interval 1, 3. Next, now the values f of 1. The f of 1 ची जर आपल्याला value find out करायची, x is replaced by 1. 1 minus 1, 1 minus 2, 1 minus 3 and 1 minus 1 as it is a 0 आणि म्हणून सगळी व्हॅल्यू त्याची किती मिळणार तर 0 मिळणार आपल्याला. Therefore f of 1 is 0 and f of 3 again x is replaced by here 3, 3 minus 3 ते किती होणार 0, 3 minus 1, 3 minus 2, 3 minus 3, overall f of 3 is also 0. Now okay, f of 1 is equals to f of 3. Thus the function f satisfies all the conditions of the Rolle's theorem. Now f of x is equals to, बघा तो फंक्शन आपण इथे प्रॉडक्ट तयार केलेले आहे, या दोघांचं मल्टिप्लिकेशन x मायनस 3 ॲज इट इज ठेवलं इथे. ओके, नेक्स्ट x स्क्वेअर मायनस 2x मायनस 1 आणि हा प्लस झाला, हे सिम्प्लिफाय केलं x स्क्वेअर मायनस 3x प्लस 2 इंटू अगेन x मायनस 3, अगेन हे सिम्प्लिफाय करणार आपण ते. ओके, x ने होल ब्रॅकेटला मायनस 3 होल ब्रॅकेटला x क्यूब minus 3x square plus 2x minus 3x square plus 9x minus 6 and overall you will get x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6. Therefore f of x is equals to x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6. त्याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काढणार, you will get 3x square minus 12x plus 11. f dash of x is equals to 0. आपण equal to 0 करणार आणि हे याचे फॅक्टर्स पडत नाही. 3x square minus 12x plus 11 is equals to 0. We'll apply here the formula method. A is equals to 3, B is equals to minus 12, C is equals to 11 and there the formula that is a minus B and therefore minus in bracket minus 12 plus or minus in root of B square minus 4AC upon 2A and therefore minus minus will become plus, minus 12 square 144 and hence multiplication that is 132 upon 6. Overall you will get 12 plus or minus 144 minus 132 you will get root of 12. आता हे सिम्प्लिफाय करणार 4 into 3, 4 चा स्क्वेअर रूट किती आलं तर 2, 2 root 3. पुन्हा हे सिम्प्लिफाय करणार 12 upon 6 plus or minus 2 root 3 upon 6 and here you will get 2 plus or minus, पुन्हा हे डिवाइड करणार that is a 1 by 3. रूट 3 अपॉन 3 आलं इथे आणि पुन्हा ते आपल्याला रॅशनलायझेशन जर केलं देन यू विल गेट 1 अपॉन रूट 3. okay, therefore x is equals to 2 plus or minus 1 by root 3, and it's clear that x is equals to 2 plus or minus 1 upon root 3 is belongs to the closed interval 1 3. Now the problem number 5. Verify the Rolle's theorem for the following function. f of x is equals to x square minus 4x plus 10 on closed interval 0 4. Example March 18 ला 4 marks साठी विचारलं गेलेलं आहे. Now the solution. f of x is a polynomial function, therefore it is a continuous. On closed interval 0 to 4, it is a differentiable. On open interval 0 4, f of 0 ची व्हॅल्यू x is replaced by 0 जर केला तर आपल्याला 10 मिळेल. and f of 4, x is replaced by 4 means what? 4 square, 4 into 4 minus 16 आती येते याला plus 10 plus 16 minus 16 get cancel. Overall f of 4 ची व्हॅल्यू किती आली तर 10 आली. f of 0 and f of 4 both are same. okay, therefore f of 0 is equals to f of 4 is equals to 10. Next, thus all the conditions of the Rolle's theorems are satisfied. The derivative of f of x should vanish or at least one point c in 0 to 4. To obtain the value of c, we proceed as follows. f of x is equals to x square minus 4x plus 10. f dash काढला 2x minus 4. 2 common घेतला आपण याच्यातनं. f dash of x is equals to 0. It implies that x minus 2 is equals to 0 and therefore x is equals to 2. And hence it's clear that 2 belongs to this open interval 0 4. We know that the 2 belongs to this open interval 0 to 4 and thus the Rolle's theorem is verified. Question number 5. f of x is equals to, in first bracket x minus 1, second x minus 2, x minus 3. x belongs to open in closed interval 0 to 4. Find c if the LMVT can be applied. Okay. Problem March 19 ला 4 marks साठी विचारला गेलेला आहे. Now the solution, the function, okay, x belongs to the closed interval 0 to 4. f of x आपण हे simplify केलं, okay, x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6. तुम्ही multiplication करू शकताय. यापूर्वी याच टाईपच्या प्रॉब्लेमचे मी multiplication दाखवलंय. As f of x is a polynomial in x, therefore first f is a continuous on closed interval 0 to 4. f of x is a differentiable on open interval 0 to 4. Okay. Next, thus all the conditions of the LMVT are satisfied. And to verify LMVT, we have to find a c belongs to open interval 0 to 4 such that f dash of c is equals to f of 4 minus f of 0 upon 4 minus 1. This is the expression number 1. The values काढणार f of 4 ची. The value of f of 4 is a 4 minus 1, 4 minus 2, 4 minus 3. And f of 4 is a, what is here? 3, 2, 1. 3 into 2, that is you will get f of 4 is 6. f of 0, okay, f of 0 ची value 0 minus 1, 0 minus 2, 0 minus 3. And overall here minus 1, minus 2 plus, and overall you will get it's a minus 6. Next, f of x is equals to x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6. f dash of x is equals to 3x square minus 12x plus 11. f dash of c 3c square minus 12c plus 11. And therefore from 1 f dash of c is equals to f of 4 minus f of 0 upon 4 minus 0. Okay. And if we equate these two, हे दोन्ही जर आपण equate केले, then what you will get? That is a 6 minus in bracket minus 6, and overall you will get 12 upon here's a, and I can see this f of 4 is 6, f of 0 is minus 6. 6 minus in bracket minus 6 upon 4 is equals to 3c square minus 12c plus 11, and this is a 12 upon 4, that is a 3. 3 is equals to 3c square minus 12c plus 11. 3c square minus 12c, if we simplify it, 11 minus 3, that is a 8, that's equals to 0. 3c square minus 12c plus 8 is equals to 0. Again, by using the formula, we will simplify this. What is here? C is equals to minus b. This minus, and the value of a is 3, b is minus 12, and c is 8. Therefore, c is equals to minus b, and this minus and minus, that will become plus. In root of b square means what? 12 square minus 4ac, 4 into 3, okay, 12, and 12 into 8, that is a 96. And therefore, you can simplify it. C is equals to 12 plus or minus in root of 144 minus 96 upon 6. And therefore, again the simplification, 144 minus 96, that is a 48. It's a root of 48. Again, if we simplify it, that is a 12 upon 6 means you will get 2 plus or minus. And again 48. 48 can be simplified. कसं सिम्प्लिफाय करता येईल आपल्याला? 16 into 3. Okay. 16 चा square root किती येणार तर 4. 4. Here you will get 4 root 3 upon 6. And again if we simplify it, then you will get 2 by 3 into root 3. And this is the value of the C. That is the C is equals to 2 plus or minus 2 by root 3. And both the values of C lies in between 0 and 4. तर आपण C ची इथे प्लस जरी घेतला आपण इथे, तरी ती व्हॅल्यू ही 0 आणि 4 च्या दरम्यान, मायनस जरी घेतला तरी 0 आणि 4 च्या दरम्यान येते ती व्हॅल्यू. And in this way we have completed these topics. Now we will see the next video. Till then, goodbye.